What's up guys, Reece here from Reece3D.com. So this is our third part in the AIJuice transition package and how to use them inside our DaVinci Resolve. So if you haven't watched the previous ones, I've leave them in the description below, so check them out and then come back here. So in the previous parts, we basically learned how to create a single transition, and we also learned how to use the same transition in the beginning of the clip, not in the end of the clip. So we've done these two transitions, and now we'll see how we can reverse this transition. Okay, so here's our end of the clip. I'm going to make it smaller so that we don't have to spend a lot of time watching just the sample clip. Okay, so what we have here is I want to bring in one more clip. So let's say we'll have the city. All right. Okay, so what I want is I want the same transition, but I want it in reverse. Okay, so all we have to do is we can actually copy this and paste, or I'll just bring that from right here. So let's say I bring that down here. I'm going to put it on the second clip. So what I want here is instead of the transition branching outwards, I want it to come back inwards. Okay, so how do we do that? We can just select it and then go up here. We have something called speed change. Okay, so this is inside the inspector. So if this thing is not showing for you, you can click on this inspector. Fine, so let's go to the speed change, and there something called direction is there. So by default it's just forward direction, and I want to change this into backward direction. So now you can see it actually starts with black and then it goes back in like that. That is exactly what we wanted. Fine. So now what I can do is just bring this up, and I'm going to just stretch this out to fill up this entire space. And we don't need the first half to be in the same transition layer. I'm going to cut there and then bring this down over here. All right. So now this has to be made into foreground, and then we want to make this to an inverted alpha. All right, so we want to have one more transition that's going to be in the top. So let's just select this, press Option, pull this up, and this will become add. There you go. So now we have okay, we have one little problem. We'll fix that. Okay, so we have the transition coming in the right way, but we have a little jump. So instead of inverted alpha, we have to change it as alpha. So we have the beach with the boats, and then from there we have this nice transition into the next clip. Okay, so let's just play both of these together. So this is branching out and then coming back. That's it. So let's just watch all of them together. So we have three transitions, 1, 2, and 3. Excellent. So this way we can actually create any kind of transition that is available from this standalone package. So all these transitions are available here. So we can just download any of them and then bring them into DaVinci Resolve, and we can use that in the same way as you have seen now. All right, so use my affiliate link, which is in the description. Try it for free, and if you like it, you can make a purchase. All right, guys, so see you in another cool tutorial.